Are you looking for the best intermediate 3D printers? In this video, we will look at some of the best intermediate 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Tronxy X5SA 400 Pro 3D Printer. Replaced the original blue leveler and hot bed with better TR sensor auto leveling and lattice glass plate. The upgraded automatic bed leveler can sense opaque objects. 2. The lattice glass plate allows for easy removal of printed products and cleaning printing surface. Full belt drive, higher stability and printing accuracy ensure the quality of the model. Dual Z-axis design, increase the bearing capacity of the hotbed, reduce errors in printing, and print more finely. X5SA 400 Pro DIY assembly, providing complete parts and tools. The paper manual with an electronic version of the instructions and a link to the installation video. Assemble and debug by yourself. Enjoy the fun of DIY assembly, so as to meet your ideas and creativity. This process takes some time to install, debug and learn, which is quite challenging for novices. More recommended for experienced user. Number 2. Easythreed K9 3D Printer. Mini 3D printer designed for children and beginners to stimulate children's creativity and interest in technology and design. Small and portable design, less than or equal to 2 kilograms, 100 by 100 by 100 millimeters print size, convenient to transport and store. Quick installation and easy to use. One key printing, time-saving and easy to use. Detachable printing platform, easy to remove the finished model. Using advanced noise reduction technology, it is ultra-quiet when printing, so that children can print anytime and anywhere, and can also give you a comfortable resting environment. Adapter power interface, 12V safety low voltage, make electricity more energy-saving, safer to use, and more convenient to carry. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 3D Printer. Photon Mono 4 boasts an impressive 105% increase in print precision compared to Mono 2. With a resolution of 9024 by 5120, each pixel measures a mere 17 by 17 micrometers on the X and Y axes. This enhanced capability allows for creating models with exceptional detail and dynamic richness. The time-tested ANYCUBIC Li Turbo Matrix light source technology delivers stable, balanced, and uniform lighting to reduce layer lines and rasterization, creating models with ultra-smooth surface and maximum print details. With a generous maximum build volume of 6.04 foot x 3.42 x 6.49 / 153.4 mm x 87 mm x 165 mm, you have ample print space to easily tackle your daily tasks and demanding projects. With a new design, the laser engraving platform of the Photon Mono 4 improves adhesion to mitigate lifting and warping of the model during 3D printing, while keeping the removal process simple and smooth. The 4-point leveling method is ideal for beginners. After the first leveling and tightening the 4 screws, no need to repeat leveling. Photon Mono 4 can resume printing when power is restored, effectively reducing material and time wastage. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Max 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Max combo has an ultra-large print volume of 420 mm x 420 mm x 500 mm, enabling effortless creation of full-scale models like helmets, castles, and oversized 3D printed reliefs in multiple colors. With seamless printing that ensures the integrity of your creations. When printing in bulk, the large printing size of the ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Max combo enables more models to be printed in each batch, reducing the overall number of printing cycles. This will save time and conserve materials when printing multicolor models in mass production. The Skip Objects function is supported by 3 ends, the app, slicing software, and printer. By utilizing AL recognition for real-time monitoring of the printing process, the system will automatically pause printing and alert the user if any abnormalities, such as spaghetti, are detected in a specific model during bulk printing. This feature helps prevent material wastage and ensures that subsequent models can be printed successfully. The ACE Pro supports standard 4-color printing. By pairing 2 ACE Pro units together, you can achieve brilliant 8-color printing, expanding possibilities for more vibrant and colorful creative projects. By pairing 2 ACE Pros to conveniently store multiple spools of filaments in the same color series. The ACE Pro can swiftly convert into a backup filament box for seamless feeding. 4 spools of filament in different color series, Organize them by color for easy access and avoid frequent spool changes. Number 5. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. A new ceramic heater encircling the hot end can melt various filaments instantly. The dual-gear direct drive extruder and titanium alloy heat break ensure 32 mm superscript 3/S full blast feeding flow in up to 300 degrees Celsius. The freshly printed model is cooled rapidly by 2 fans, one on the printhead with directional air ducts, and another in the build chamber. The model hardens before any stringing and warping could happen. The 1 micrometer resolution LiDAR will scan the first layer on its own. It will pause printing and tell you immediately if something goes wrong. And K1 Max uses an AI camera to watch over spaghetti failure, foreign objects, debris, etc. It will alert you when an error occurs. It also supports real-time monitoring and creates time-lapse for sharing. A G sensor in the printhead measures and mitigates the resonance frequencies of high-speed printing. No more ghosting or ringing on the print. The accurate Z-axis positioning reduces Z-banding effectively. The aluminum alloy frame with unibody die-cast parts ensures steady printing at high speed, and the print quality is excellent the whole time. K1 Max is assembled and calibrated before shipment, and it offers a boot-up quick guide and allows self-test with 1 tap. So, users can print right out of the box. The strain sensors in the heat bed deliver hands-free leveling, while the AI LiDAR scans the bed tilt at million points for more precise leveling. Its heat bed heats to 60 degrees Celsius in just 90s. Also, a flexible build plate is adopted for quick print removal.